Welcome to the week. This week we go through chapter 16, which is skin, and then we also go through chapter 17, which is sense, or the eye and the ear. When you start in chapter 16 in your textbook, do pay attention to the anatomy and physiology, the layers of the skin, where you find your glands and the differences between the differences between the two. We get to the blue boxes. There are combining forms here for you. Quite a few of them. They go on for a few pages. Make sure you really pay attention to those blue boxes, of course. But then I would also look right away at the listing. It's kind of an A through L listing of terms, and then definitions in bold. The cutaneous lesions, or the different types of lesions with the pictures that go along with them. Those are really, really important. This is where the heaviest of the chapter comes in, with all the different types of diseases and conditions that can happen, getting into neoplasms and then tests and abbreviations for skin. And then when you hit chapter 17 with the eye and the ear, again it goes through the anatomy and physiology of the eye right away, and then they'll do blue boxes just for the eye. Okay, there's quite a bit there. And then they'll switch paths here and go start with the ear. And once we get to the ear and go through the anatomy and physiology of that, we'll have a second set of blue boxes here, which isn't as much for the ear. And then again, pathology, conditions, abbreviations, things like that. So take your time with this chapter this week as well, or these chapters, excuse me, two of them this week. Good luck.